Good afternoon, everybody. I got some flowers here. They smell good. It's such a beautiful day. It's raining. Alright, we're gonna go take a walk in the rain. Here we go. Oh. Look, my neighbor's garage is open. Goodbye! I couldn't go in his garage and explore. So it's Saturday, and this weekend is supposed to be the weekend of our community carnival. So I'm gonna see, coming up on the carnival, a couple 100 feet away, parking lot's full of cars, hear the music. The petting zoo is closed, and none of the rides. The kitty tent and the other game tent, they're open. Well, the rides are shut down. The food and vending's open, the kitty games are open. So I think I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna wash my feet off. So, I played in the kitty tent. Got this fedora. I saw these pretty cool looking sunglasses, so I was like, well, I'm gonna have to try them out. Got a bracelet that says courage. I got 2 flashlights. I'm gonna put one in my car, give the other one to a niece or a nephew. Knows I might keep both. The batteries will probably die as it is anyway. Got a compass. An eraser. You know, I like to write, so writing in pencil and erasing, you know, that happens. I got this bear that says walking with Jesus. So got my bear. And I saw this and I was like, that's awesome. But when I first saw it, it was only the cowboy. And then I was like, well, that's a pretty cool toy, like the cowboy. And then I looked at another basket and I saw the horse. And I was like, oh, I totally gotta get this. So I got a cowboy and a horse. This is the funniest looking thing. It is a bouncy ball. It's crazy. But the real reason I went was for this baby. So I'm going to enjoy my funnel cake. I'll see y'all later. That was good. There's a bug in my funnel cake!